how strong are acid or base solutions. At the end of this session you will be able to understand about strength of acid and base, and use of pH in our daily life. Before starting the session, let us recollect what acids, bases and salts are, and about pH scale and indicators. Let's start with acid. Acid is a substance which dissociates or ionizes on dissolving in water to produce hydrogen ions. For example, hydrochloric acid gives hydrogen ions plus chlorine ions. Now, let's see base. Base is a substance which dissolves in water to produce hydroxide ions. It can neutralize an acid. For example, sodium hydroxide gives sodium ions in aqueous solution plus hydroxide ions in aqueous solution. Here, sodium hydroxide dissolves in water and produces sodium and hydroxide ions in aqueous solution. What is salt? Salt is a compound formed from an acid by the replacement of the hydrogen in acid by a metal. Examples of salts are sodium chloride, calcium chloride, potassium chloride, etc. Before explaining about the strength of acid or base, we need to know the concentrations of hydrogen ions in acid or base in water. Let us see that first. Water. Water is slightly ionized into hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. In pure water, the concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions are equal. Acid produces hydrogen ions in water. So, when acid is added to water, concentration of hydrogen ions increases. Please note that the concentration of hydroxide ions in acidic solution is much less than that of hydrogen ions. Base produces hydroxide ions in water. So, when a base is added to water, then the concentration of hydroxide ions increases. Please note that the concentration of hydrogen ions in basic solution is much less than that of hydroxide ions. Both acidic and basic solutions contain hydrogen ions. Do you know that strength of acid or base can be measured by using pH scale? What is a pH scale? Let's see. It is a scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution, called pH scale. The P in pH stands for power, potens in German. The H inverse on pH stands for hydrogen ion concentration, H+. In pH scale, we can measure pH from 0, very acidic, to 14, very alkaline. pH should be thought of simply as a number. It indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. The pH value of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ions in it. Acids. pH value is less than 7. Bases. pH value is more than 7. Neutral. Here pH value is equal to 7. Let us see them in more detailed. pH scale for different substances, acids, or acidic solution. A solution has a pH value of less than 7, it will be acidic solution. Please note that strong acid substances have a very low pH value. Lower the pH is, the stronger the acid. Bases, or alkaline solution. A solution which has a pH value of more than 7 is considered as alkaline, or basic, solution. Please note that strong base substances have a very high pH value. Higher the pH is, the stronger the base, or alkali. Neutral. Neutral substance has a pH value of exactly 7. Pure water is neutral substance, it is neither acidic nor basic. Remember, if the pH value is 7, it is neutral substance. The pH of a neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents an increase in OH- ion concentration in the solution, that is, increase in the strength of alkali. Now let us recollect in brief about the indicator. Common indicators, litmus, methyl orange, etc., can tell us whether the given substance is acidic or basic in nature. They cannot tell us whether the given substance is a strong or weak acid and strong or weak base. By using universal indicator, we can measure the strength of an acid or a base. The universal indicator shows different colors at different concentrations of hydrogen ions in a solution. Different colors are shown in the following table for different pH values. If the pH value increases the concentration of hydrogen ions than hydroxide ions, then the solution is more acidic. If the pH value decreases the concentration of hydrogen ions than hydroxide ions, then the solution is more alkaline. If the concentration of hydrogen and hydroxide ions are equal, then the solution is neutral. Let us now see the pH value of some common substances and their nature.